I have tested it out. It works, and I will transfer it to my main account because I believe this is a good strategy. Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm gonna share a strategy that can work for small accounts. So if you have a small account or you want to start trading on Deriv and you do not have a lot of money to trade, then this strategy is the best that can keep your account growing. Also, if you have a large account, you can still utilize this strategy to also make money. So this is a good strategy that can make a lot of money. And if you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. So the first thing you need to do is, after logging into your account, you choose Deriv Trader. As you can see here, I am on Deriv Trader. So you just choose Deriv Trader, and then the first thing you will see is accumulators. So you just need to change into vanillas. Change into vanillas. As you can see, this is vanillas. To change this chart to the one you see on the screen, you just tap on the 3 minutes here. You can see we have a chart type there. Then you can change from area to candles. So I am using 3 minutes. You can use 3 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes. So let me change to 1 minute so that we can see how the chart looks like. But 3 minutes for me is the best on this market. So I usually use 3 minutes on this market, and then after that you can see this is the market, and this market tends to move in one direction for a lot of time. So that is what we want to be taking advantage of. And then here, just set the duration to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, somewhere there. You can set 2 minutes, 3 minutes, somewhere there. And then we have the stake is $2. The strike price is positive 0.10. So that is the settings you need to do, and then you need just to wait for the market when it starts to move in one direction. Like for now, it is moving upwards, so I just wait for an opportunity, and then I just press the call instead of put. We have the call here or here. You just change between the call and put. So if I choose put, you can see I just be predicting it will be going down in a duration of 3 minutes, and I can still get out of that market. But for me, I just go with this one. You just wait for the opportunity and then you press call. So after pressing call, you have a chance of making a lot of profit. So the return here is very high, guys. As you can see, you can still close at a lot of profit. You can see this one. So this market has a probability to make a very good return, and you can see I was closing at small losses. I do not let them to run to make a lot of losses. So that is how you can do it. I have tested it out. It works, and I will transfer it to my main account because I believe this is a good strategy and it should be able to make me some money. So as you can see, this market has started to reverse. So if you want to go with it, you just change to put, and then you proceed to place that trade. So that way you just wait for your profit, and you can just close them here. So here is where you can see the profit, and then you just wait until you are on the profit side. Proceed to close that trade when you are on a profit side. So remember, guys, here we do not oppose markets. We just move the way the market is moving. As you can see, that is how you can just do it. Wait until the market start moving and then move with it. That way you will make a lot of money and you will be able to be a profitable trader. So if you have a question, just ask in the comment section. I'll be answering it. And if you do not have an account, create using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.